Okay, so the Dollar Tree be having some really good things lately, and I'm like, I love sharing like Dollar Tree stuff. I've not been able to share it as often as I can, but when I'm able to, it's pretty good. So, hello lip liners. They are by LA Colors, and I've never really had any problems with like their stuff, and they actually come with a pencil sharpener in them. It does come with a pencil sharpener. Da-da-da! All the way in and then twist it. And then you have to hold it, but there you go. It actually does work. Okay, so this shade is not, it says cuteness on one side, but it does not show the other. That's weird. It says cuteness on this side, but I don't see a number or anything on this side for, anyways, the colors are really pretty, and I love that type of like brownish taupe color, and then this really pretty pink color. Like, though, that pencil is gonna be like my favorite to go pencil. This duo is called Cuteness, and then this duo is called Dreamy. So they definitely are two different colors in here. Like, I have a lot of good stuff in here, but like I just love lip liners so much that I was like, these are gonna be like my absolute favorites. And I love pencil lip liners. Like, pencil lip liners are just absolutely gorgeous, and they're easier to stay and everything. So I might have to erase my lipstick at the end of this video and then show you how these work. And then we got some really pretty nail stickers, which, if you remember in Cocoa Nails, like when nail wraps and stickers and all that became a thing in the beginning, like, these, I don't know if they will do good, never use them, but they're by B Color, and I've used some of B Color stuff before and not had an issue, so I'm really hoping these nail wrap sticker things will do really good like the In Cocoa ones, because like these are really, really pretty. Like, I love this set and would do that every single day, and then this is really pretty for like summer and all that. So since we're talking about nails, we have those like popular nail things that have been going around everywhere right now. Okay, again, okay, by B Color, but these are those purple, and then they have like that magnet, I always try to say, when I try to say magnet, I try to say magnetized, but anyways, they have the magnet essence in there where you hold that magnet thing and then like do all the like the cool things. Anyways, I got two of them. Some nails at Dollar Tree don't always have the exact same size in the kit that you need, so I don't know why, but anyways. And then these are the blue ones, or the aqua teal turquoise set, and then they also have that metallic magnetic vibe to them, and I thought just really, really pretty. So I've never tried Ioni's nails before, but I've tried like a lot of their lipsticks and their mascaras and their lip liners and their eyeliners and all that, and I have not had any issues. And I've tried their nail art and their nail stickers and all that, and look how cute, like their little cowgirl set. So I got two sets, again, just because I'm real weird about the thing, even though it says 12 and we only have 10 fingers, and you would think like it should fit. It's just really weird. So, and I love the square tips. So they got the square tips, and then they're like the little cowgirl essence. And speaking of that, this is from TJ Maxx, because this brand is really, really good, and I recently like showed them on my Instagram and everything. They are really, really good. So I made a whole video out of it, and I will upload these nails. But yeah, stay tuned for that, because these nails are really, really good, and they have been on for I think about a week now. So anyway, this is really cool. I already have one of these. I'm gonna unzip my bag so I can show you, but I already have one of these, but I use it for concealer purposes, like like literally concealer purposes. But then I was like, I want one for my contouring, like my nose contour, because then I started thinking, I think I can pretty much get a really good sharp contouring nose for that, and or even like certain spots for contouring on your cheeks, or it just be a really good contouring brush. And I don't want to mess my concealer brush up, so I'm like, I need a backup. So in a mood for nails. Like, I've been getting back into loving nails all over again. Me and them had a hate-love situation going on, but look at these like really pretty, they're by Pretty Woman, and Pretty Woman has a lot of really, really good quality nails when they're in that case, which I know that most of you have seen in the case that I'm talking about, but and it comes with a glue, and that glue is a die for. Like, I've never found a really good glue until these ones, but before that, that's why I had a love-hate situation, because every time I would put them on with regular glue, they would not stick down. So anyways, they don't come, I do not believe that they come with a glue in here. I didn't see anywhere where it says anything about a glue in here, so I don't think there's a glue in here, but I'm gonna try to just find really good glue again and then also use these, because these are too cute not to use for like the summer stuff. So lastly, okay, so I needed some nail files, and these looked really nice, especially like, I don't know, I just, something about whenever it's like planet saving and all that and eco-friendly and all that, I just want to do better. And so like these looked really nice, and they actually really do good too, especially like, that's, I'm assuming that's how my nails are sticking on really good right now, because I've made sure to file them down and do like all the steps that you're supposed to. So I don't know. Anyways, and then glass files, and they had a few colors of these, like literally $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I wish they go back to $1, but I'm still fine with the $1.25, even though, so sad. But I could never, like, whenever glass files were coming out, I could never find them, and when I finally found them, they're like 10, 12 bucks, if not more. And so it's just really nice. Like, I don't know, my cat in the background is like, hold on, literally sniffing. I don't know what they put in this, but he's like literally sniffing it, and he's like, let me, he will try to bite on these things. And like my nail file is right here. Let's see if he'll do it on this one. Sometimes he would like literally just bite down on these things. He will run out the door with it, and I literally have to go and chase, and then I would have to go and chase him, because he will take this, bite it, and then just run off with them. So anyways, I have to put these in good spots where he cannot get a hold of them. But those are so cool. I know this is just a small haul, but I think I'm gonna take off the lipstick and show you how well the lip liner performs. But I'm very excited for all of this stuff, and I cannot wait to get into like putting the nails on. And if I do it anytime soon, I will definitely add it to this video, but being that I have these on, probably not. So I will try to keep you updated on that, and then just try to add them later to a different video and like tell you an update with that. But okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my lipstick off and then show you the lip liner. Okay, so I want to start with the one that I really like first, and this is Cuteness. So I'm gonna pull my mirror in closer so I can see my lips instead of just trying to like look in this right here. But okay, so I really like this color a lot. Like, that is a pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my lips just so that way we can really get the whole feel of the color. That color is really pretty. I love that color. They're kind of like creamy, like a lipstick a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna do the pink side. And again, I'm just gonna fill in my lip. That looks really pretty. And the chunkiness of the lip liner makes it where it's a lot easier to do the doors. So now we're gonna take the other one that's dreamy. Oh yes. Oh, this pretty. Oh my god, that is so perfect. I love that color so much. That is so pretty. Okay, new favorite color. So pretty. Okay, but the thickness of the lip liners are actually really nice and easier to hold on to too. But that's a really pretty color. Okay, so now the other side. Ooh, this is more like a coral color, and that's not horrible. I've never been into coral colors, but it's not bad with my eyes. It's like making my eyes be a little bit more greenish. That's not bad.